Ari hamwe na andu angi atandatu aria makuruhanite cira-ini wa kuregana na watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023, Seneta wa BUSIA Okiya Omtatah niatite ihoya ria mucirithania munene Martha Koome na gutemania wira wake mbere ya wabici ya munini wa wandikithia wa macira igoti-ini inene. Omtatah niagwetete mamwe ma maria mekumba muthingi wa cira uyu agikinyiriria mutaratara uria wahuthirirwo hari uthondeki wa bajeti ni mwagararire watho.
Constitution that prescribes is very prescriptive on how a budget should be made, and we want to hold this budget against that constitution to demonstrate to the court and the people of Kenya that the government did not follow the prescription in the constitution.
No gereiria icunjĩ imwe iria iri thiini wa watho uyu no cihuthike gutheremia ungumania na ho ni ciragarara watho wa uramati wa kigina kia muingi.
I would want to blame the technocrats for padding the budget with the expenditure that is not going to benefit the public, and as a result we end up with a very high taxation regime to finance fraud.
Watho wa kigina wendekithitie kugathika magoti makiria gatagati kamo igoti ria maguta kuma gicunji kia 8 nginya 16 hari igana. Omtatah akiruma KINI kuhurana na mawatho o mothe mararongoreria kubora muingi.
And I hope that going forward Kenya will be a different place. Our money will be respected, our taxes will be imposed strictly in compliance with the constitution, and the budget making process will not be used to steal from struggling Kenyan taxpayers.
Mucirithania munene Martha Koome amurire acirithania David Majanja, Christine Meori na Lawrence Mugambi gutwithania cira uyu, no kurigana na Omtatah kinyanagia na riu ndari aramenyithio tariki cia guthikiririo gwa cira uyu.
There have been no direction so far. We only told to bring our pleadings, which on the behalf of the 7 petitioners, I have brought my pleadings. But as you are aware, after I and my co-petitioners filed our petition 181 of 2023, alongside our petition as the lead file. So we are still waiting for, we undertake to keep the timelines imposed on us by the court.
Wagatano kiumia giki igoti ria gucokia cira riko nirio rigakinyaniria itua ria guthii na mbere kurugamia kurutithio wira kwa watho wa kigina kana kweheria mukano uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.